Central.
Jungle.
An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human perceptible form or historically into a physical machine readable form for use with other than non-computerized equipment. It can be text, graphics, tactile, audio, or video.
Printer. The function of a printer is to turn digital to a printed media. It could be text or it could be graphic output.
Monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial or text form. A monitor usually comprises a visual display, some circuitry, a casing, and a power supply.
The purpose of a speakers is to produce audio output that can be heard by a listener.
Speakers are one of the most common output devices used with computer systems. Some speakers are designed to work specifically with computers, while others can be hooked up to any type of sound system. Regardless of their design, the purpose of speakers is to produce audio output that can be heard by the listeners. Speakers are transducers that convert electromagnetic waves into sound waves. The speaker receives audio input from devices such as a computer on an audio receiver. This input may be either in analog or digital form. Analog speakers simply amplify the analog electromagnetic waves into sound waves. Since sound waves are produced in analog form, digital speakers must first convert the digital input to an analog signal, then generate the sound waves.
Projector. A projector, image projector, is an optical device that projects an image onto a surface. Commonly, a projection screen. A projector is an output device that takes images generated by a computer or Blu-ray player and produces them by projection onto a screen, wall, or another surface. In most cases, the surface projected onto a large, flat, and lightly colored wall.
What is an input device? Well, in computing, an input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information appliance. Examples of input device includes keyboards, mouse, scanners, cameras, joystick, and microphones.
Mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that controls the sensor of GUI and can move and select a text, icon, files, and folders.
Keyboard is a primary function is to act as an input device. Using a keyboard, a person can type a document, use key shortcuts, access menus, play games, and perform other tasks. A keyboard device used to enter characters and function into a computer system by pressing buttons or keys. Explore the description, parts, layout, and function of the computer keyboards and discover how they work with different languages as a virtual keyboards. Most keyboards have a very similar layout. The individual keys for letters, numbers, and special characters are collectively called the character keys. The layout of these keys is derived from the original layout of keys on a typewriter, the most widely used layout in English.
A microphone is a device that translates sound vibration in the air into electronic signals or ascribes them to other recording medium.
A microphone is an input device that was developed by Emily Berliner in 1877. It is used to convert sound waves into electric waves to input the audio into computers. It captures audio by converting sound waves into an electrical signal, which may be digital or analog signal. This process can be implemented by a computer or other digital audio device. The first electronic microphone was based on a liquid mechanism which used a diaphragm that was connected to a current charged needle in a diluted sulfuric acid solution. It was not able to reproduce the intelligible speech. Regularly, microphones are designed on the basis of directionality besides the type of device, such as omnidirectional microphones are capable of picking up all sounds in the area, but it is unable to focus on a particular subject with background noise. Bidirectional, directional, and shotgun microphones are beneficial for an interview. However, two unidirectional devices can provide the same effect like Android microphones.
Webcam. A webcam is a digital video device commonly built into a computer. Its main function is to transmit pictures over the internet.
A webcam is an input device that captures visual data and sends it into your computer. It uses an image sensor chip or video camera to capture moving images, then converts them to a format your computer processor understands. Webcams have become incredibly important into our day-to-day lives, with more than 86% of companies now conducting virtual interviews. High-quality webcams have become more important now than ever, especially today that we are experiencing the pandemic. We are holding our meetings into a virtual interviews or virtual meetings.